The next speaker is Hyacinthe Nouhou Dama Zouyane. She's coming from Cameroon, and she will present the residual granitic landforms of Lara. It is a far north region in Cameroon. I'm sorry for the way I pronounced your name. I'm so sorry. It was too difficult for me. So, can you go on with your presentation? Oh.
Okay, thank you. And can you see my slide?
Yes.
Of my notice caractérisée elle grande au Cameroun. First, like to approach the quality of but but heritage that constitutes son of geographical history.
Maybe there is a problem with the audio. It's very low.
Okay. In Cameroon, this sector in the document is practiced in poor form and its revenue remain quite limited. The Cameroonian
I am afraid that we cannot hear you. Sometimes your sound is coming, but some other times we lose it.
Okay. However, the Cameroonian territory is made up of extremely diverse geological and geomorphological sites that diverse to be developed through geotourism and the other countries in the world. Therefore, the locality of Lara with its geomorphological diversity is taken here as an example. Locality Lara is located in the Kaele subdivision, Mayokani division, and Far North region of Cameroon. It covers an area of approximately 3.45 kilometers. It is characterized by a plain stream with Inselberg. This translates into approximately 94% plain, 4% mountain, and 1% plain, all resting on a was basement that set an altitude of around 420. The mountains are dominated by isolated but mostly coalescent Triton structure. That is the final Cameroon subdivision of Kaele and the locality of Lara. This locality has not been studied for the geotourism purpose, although it is well diversified geomorphological unit. End of student. To make an inventory and the studying of geomorphosite residual granite landform of Lara for the exploitations through geotourism. Material and method. To achieve the end of the present study, a method for the field and laboratory fast geotouristic aspect was adopted. On the geotouristic aspect is included the inventory, description, and mapping of geomorphosite. This was facilitated by the use of data processing tools such as Excel and mapping tools such as Google Earth, ArcGIS, Adobe Illustrator. The results often are very interesting. The localities of Lara, given landscape of boulder, then and the mode of alteration. You can see on this picture the carapace surface on the boulder and grow of vegetation on crack. The taphonie coalitions 30 centimeters in the diameter on average. Taphonie on boulder face. According to Vidal, taphonization is caused by exogenous process and endogenous process. Geotourist heritage study. The boulder. Boulder of localities Lara is very attractive. In this picture, we see the boulder of large have 1.5 meter diameter. The boulder like split potato with a diameter for 405 centimeters and a length of 650 centimeters. Boulder like hourglass is 2.1 meters in diameter and 7 meters height. The boulder like fungi. On this picture, you see you have the north face and the south face. Boulder like basin and boulder like a dolphin or cow measuring 18 meters long and 2.5 meters wide. Boulder like bill, the dimensions are variable. The heights are between 1.7 and 0.5 meter high, and the diameters between 1 and 2 meters. These boulder have oblique linear crack giving a stratiform structure. The boulder which is teeth crack. The boulder are a geological heritage that support geotourism many countries around the world. The slab. These slabs have various shapes and longer dimensions. They also constitute the geotourist heritage like tools as sweet alcohol. On this slab, you can see the apitic vein on most of these granitic slabs. We can observe the various structures such as the Bottles of giants 1 meter deep and 1.5 meter diameter. The couple, each structure have an giant diameter of 9 centimeters, deep of 5 centimeters. Tourist location in the town of Lara. Perhaps two category of visitor, local and foreign. As worker student, high school student, and the foreign people from Chad and France. On this histogram showing the distribution of tourists according to category and year of visit to the tourist site. Map of the potential draw tourists of the locality of Lara. Symbol yellow is slab and red symbol is the different access route to site. The geomorpho picture of the Lara locality constitutes a geological heritage that can be exploited for geotourists. This heritage is made on the geomorpho sites such as boulder, impressive shape and dimension, large with large surface. The local community is more attracted to the geomorpho site, despite the fact that the locality of Lara abound in geomorpho sites with enormous potential. The practice of geotourism remains poorly known. The inventory of the geomorpho sites which are still ignored by the general public and the decision makers. We highlight the geological data that are essential for the implementation of geotourism in Lara. Interest of this work from a geotourist point of view, this result will contribute to valorization of the geological heritage and boost the economy of Cameroon. For your attention.
Thank you very much. You traveled us far away. Okay, because we spent some time with the microphones and so on, we don't have much time for questions right now, but for those that would like to ask something about this presentation, do not hesitate to write down in the chat. At this point, I would like just a very, very short question. Do you have set any equipment inside the cavities in order to measure, for example, temperature, humidity, and so on?
I don't understand.
Okay, no worries. I will write it down in the chat. I will write it down in the chat. So thank you again very much for your participation.